got my bag right.
Yeah, we rock stars, we race cop cars, we smoke weed, sip lean, and we pop bars. Yeah, all black hoodie, I don't fit no Gucci. More money, more people gon' sue me. I'ma end up in the feds. A somebody will shoot me, bury me in the garden next to all of the new weed. I'm a legend with the bag, I'm in Spain with the limoncello. $1 million for a cut, yeah, that's real De Niro. You see the way the money pile got them tripping out. I checked in, rolled a joint, then they kicked me out. A few things in life I can never live without.
What up?
What?
What's up, dude? It's the first video in 4 months, I think.
It's been a while, huh?
Yeah.
I had to film. We got Sayers down here, so.
What up, Pete?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
I'm definitely not ready.
Gavin wants to stop to get donuts.
Oh yeah, we're definitely getting donuts.
Everybody's at the beach today?
That's what I was saying, dude. Change of scenery?
Yeah, a little bit different.
No stadium this time, huh?
No stadium. What do you got, Dan?
I got my Saron over here. Put like tiger forks on it. Looks
Hey, we having that
good.
stand
They
real
look
quick?
good.
Hey, I just didn't feel like doing it early as hell this morning. Thank you, sir. All right, Zach.
See if you've gotten better within the 4 months.
No funnel.
That was only 10 cents.
Did you say something stupid yet? Like, oh, here's fucking $45 worth of
No, it wasn't that dramatic. It was 10 cents, but now I just did another 20 cents. It wasn't warm enough. Hey, he's here for 2 minutes. Already building tracks. You see his foot hook under the shifter real quick? Bamberg still kills it, dude.
Yeah.
He like was in my era of freestyle, like all the events I ever rode, I always had to compete against him. Oh, so he's actually a little older than me. Dude, he fucking rips still. If you land up top, they feel really small.
Yeah, that's kind of what. Yeah, if I go to the middle, it feels like it's like
that's
78.
That's where we always try to land. Because, well, when you come back from a trip or a flip, if you land up top, you have to come back to your bike so quick. That's why we always try to like set it like 73-ish to the knuckle, so you land like 78. Because once you get past that, it feels way better.
That's veteran talk right there.
I'm getting really old, so I gotta try to get my tricks as big as possible. So I need to gas it harder and over jump it.
When in Huntington, right?
You think that's a rented bird, or you think that's his bird?
I don't know, dude.
An ambulance.
Yeah, what's up with that, dude? Yesterday.
Oh, he lied to me. They told me it was 75 feet. It was only 71.
You look like you're hitting the 120.
I was hitting the Levi ramp. I think I went a bit more than 4 foot too long.
For sure you did. When I like watch the video, I'm like, he hit that thing hard on the 350.
You can hear it. You're fucking wrapped wide open.
I didn't even take a test run because I couldn't go through the sand.
I'm hip to the game. I'll always be the same. Cause while I'm broke, I got fame, sunshine or rain. Ain't a damn thing changed. I'm hip to the game.
That's good for flatlands.
Tell the old guy to learn some upright tricks so he doesn't flip at the start of the show every time. Fuck you!
Can't be touched. You know I do my thing. I'ma get my drink on and party like it's okay. Trust me, it's okay. Bounce with me in slow mo. When they hear the kid in the house, they like, oh no. 50 got a
Yeah, now I'm sipping on that juicy. Find me in the background, that backwoods style and stunting, doing my two-step frontin'. Now I'ma tell you what them told me, homie. Just lose it, parental discretion's advised. This is grown folk music. Now
I'm not even gonna try to whip against all these fuckers. Just gonna make myself look stupid. Flip flip.
got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Quit playing, turn the music up a little bit. Bounce with me now, shout it, let's get into it. You know bounce with me now, let's get into it. Search me to search me, but hurry up and
You see those tits?
Dude, he's always messing with you, dude.
I know, bro. I'm always grab my titties and shit. Hey, that kid.
Yes. Konnichiwa. Are you going much slower when you seat belted or no? Not really. Just a hair because you get on it hard on the rim? Yeah, just like a hair slower. I don't feel like you gotta slow down that much. Did you try to do a 3?
I did one. It wasn't that good.
It's kind of flip whippy.
Yeah, it's the back side of the bus.
You gonna do another one?
Yeah.
Boom, this shit is hectic. Can't you see pain in my eyes? Sugar boom boom, I can't explain the reason I chose to get high. Sugar boom boom, I've chased that dragon, but we've had our final dance. Sugar boom boom, I've left her stranded, cause I'm done with this romance. Let me start by saying, fam, these words I speak are true. Just another story about the shit that we go through. This shit's not gravy, no steak and eggs. I've slept inside my caddy, borrow, plead and beg. Damn, I just had on you twice. Held on pretty tight. Still smoke my Yaska. Man, y'all know this. Still off the road and clean, so the haters eat my dick. Sugar boom boom, this shit is hectic. Can't you see pain? Sugar boom boom, can't explain the reason I chose to get high.
Is my camera on?
Yeah, you're on. You riding home?
Yeah. See you tomorrow, boys.
That's loading?
What's up, buddy?
Wanky.
Good to see you, man. Long time no see.
What's up with the weather?
Dude, come on, dude. Fucking. Hey guys, I'm Wanky.
Straight into weather
Hey
news.
guys,
Straight
I'm
into
Wanky.
weather news.
DBK is on news right now. So we come and wakes up today for like this new DBK shots. It's gonna be good day, but look at that shit. This weather, kind of smoky. I think somebody's maybe tweeting too much fucking smoking weed. That's why. Bro, look at that shit. Too much, man.
Too much.
Too much high as fuck.
Nah,
You know?
Too
Too much high as fuck this guy, dude. All the time.
what's up, dude? Boat right now or what?
Yeah, dude.
Dude.
You know what's better is all your friends' boats. It's way easier. This thing's fun as hell though, dude. Got the tune part for the wife and kids, and then the surf one for me and Sav. So you can't beat it. Best of both worlds.
I kind of, I don't want to wear, but
Need a tear off.
I know. So fast,
Yeah. You look fast.
right?
Slow
That's
down.
right. Pin it, bro. Pin it.
You realize?
Turn it up loud. Hey man, you a little sucker for love, Rock. Word up. I should have seen you was jumping right from the start. Told me so many lessons, how not to mess with broken hearts. So many questions. When this began, we was the perfect match, perhaps. We had some problems, but we working at it, and now the arguments are getting loud. I wanna stay, but I can't help from walking out. Let's do it away. Just take my hand and understand. If you could see, I never planned to be a man. It just wasn't me. But now I'm searching for commitment and other arms. I wanna shelter you from harm. Don't be alarmed. Your attitude was the cause. You got me stressing. Soon as I open up the door.
They're back though, Tyler. Yep. Okay. Go. Push.
There we go. Forgot TV don't have good knees. He can't bend his knees to get on the board at all.
I need to get further back.
Just quit being a bitch.
Come on, Tyler. Come on, baby. Go. Yeah! Cool. Yeah. Feet are all fucked up though. There we go. Chill.
So close. His face is His feet were doing this the whole time. And he's like this. You're so fucking close.
These legs do not work.
There you go. There we go. Yeah, TD. You told him to lean back.
I didn't say it that far back.
He said lean back. He went like this. I think he's dead.
Hey, you got up though. Fuck.
Ready? I want to try.
You ever wake surf before?
Fuck no, dude. First time ever.
First time.
First time ever. I think how to do step.
Come take a break.
Step 1, how to do getting, I think. Step 2, get the style.
Alright,
Step
stop.
3, get the style.
Always style. Except for his style at X Games this year sucked.
Yeah, dude, what's
That's why I
up?
got second to last.
Okay. Sometime, no dirt bikes. Let's do wake stuff more.
Maybe more dirt bikes for X Games, pal.
What the fuck, Wakey?
He looked like a fucking frog.
You get tried it bidet.
What do you mean?
Butthole clean.
Butthole clean?
Yeah.
Yeah, brand new right now.
Always be the same. This one I'm broken, I got pain, sunshine and rain. Ain't a damn thing changed. I'm new to the game. I'll always be the same. This one I'm broken, I got pain, sunshine and rain. Ain't a damn thing changed.
Shorts dry still?
I wasn't winky.
Yeah, so much fun, but it's pretty hard. Yeah. Step 3, still no style.
Still no style.
Come on, dude.
Spank fella wanna talk though. I'm see him on cash in a bank teller. Wanna talk girls, you can't follow this. I've been through more skins than the average dermatologist. I'm no joke on a fast or slow tip. Pockets stay so thick, be on some down low shit. I turn them C's red fast. I never sell out, fuck that, you're on their ass. I'm rolling like TNT when it comes to this. Ain't another brother seeing me. That's why I'm going so shit scared. Cause I make brothers go, well yo, now that's that shit there. I'll always be the same. Cause my love broke, I got games, I shut up the pain. Ain't a damn thing changed, I'm hip to the game. I'll always be the same. Cause my love broke, I got games, sunshine and rain. Ain't a damn thing changed. Brothers better lounge when I pass through town.
You better recognize.
Don't know, better ask around. Word life, I'm not a new figure. They say good things come to those who wait. I'm overdue, nigga. I lounge and rock tunes the way I be saving the day. Give me a cape and a costume. But no, it's not Batman, it's the original black man. That goes back like the Gap Band. I don't run scams, got dumb fans. Yo, I'm one man that's quick to toast a nigga like a suntan. People wonder what I rock against shit. Rap without finesses like life without oxygen. It's no quiz, I get biz. You know what the deal is. Rap ain't shit if it ain't real, kid. Can a rapper outplay me?
Do you think, kid?
Word life, no
I'm
doubt,
hip to
baby.
the game.
Right.
I'll always be the same. Cause my love broke, I got things, sunshine and rain. Ain't a damn thing changed, I'm hip to the game.
Right.
I'll always be the same.
True.
Cause my love broke, I got things, sunshine and rain. Ain't a damn thing changed.
I don't stutter, I'm so butter like no other word. I'm that funky type of soul brother. I get stupid, but I'm dumb wise. I'm one guy that can rock a party from night until sunrise. You can't mess with the rap lord. That's like saying you can dunk when you can't touch the backboard. Huh. I got the smooth rep. I got styles that kung fu motherfuckers didn't use yet. How long I been rocking raps? Since niggas is wearing leaves, mark necks and sporting stocking caps.
Can't trust me on nothing.
Nah,
Nothing
you're-
with definitely steps like teeth, back,
Everything.
ankles, back of my head. Concussions, that's a concussioner.
Dude, that clip of you golfing? Oh no! Did you get a concussion from that?
Yeah.
Dude. Alright, dude, last clip.
Last clip.
When they dropping.
The slides already dropped, dude.
Nah, not those, dude.
Oh,
The board
shorts are
shorts.
Friday, dude.
Friday?
Yeah.
Towels too?
Towels have already been out, but shorts are Friday.
Dude.
They're already out.
The slides.
Shirt's out of stock.
Shirt is out of stock. New slides are in. Shorts drop Friday. Go get them bitches.
I like them.
Yeah.
This guy, 36, they stayed on, so that's good.
Not bad, not bad.
You need an outro? We need a new one. We need a new outro. Hey man, make sure to like, comment, get your buddy to subscribe, and I'll suck his dick.